a lot of people who do facilitation do training, right? Often trainers talk about themselves as facilitation.
Agreed.
But you also have facilitators who work with businesses to solve problems or do process redesigns, right? So this got me thinking, is there a fundamental difference between facilitation as skill building and facilitation as kind of group problem solving?
Yeah, okay. So first springs to mind is that, do you talk about the purpose, the why you do those, or is it about the way you do the one or the other when you talk about difference?
What do you mean?
So is there a difference in purpose, or how you actually do it? If it's how you do it, that goes a lot into our model talking about goal and design, which you need to consider anyway, regardless what it is. If it's purpose, it's more of a intellectual, interesting division to me.
So I suppose the exercises that you might use in a facilitative session might be very similar, might be an affinity
Yes.
mapping post-it note exercise. But the
Yes.
question you ask behind that would be fundamentally different if it was about a
Yes.
group process or about individual learning. I think for me that's the difference, in that facilitation for the group, that feels, as opposed to training for the individual, is that that's the focus on the group process, not the individual skill
Oh,
development.
mm.
That feels to me to be the difference, even though it might be the same sort of skills that are used. And often I think the way that we develop our individual skills, certainly for me, is in the context of a group anyway.
So even though there could be differences, there's anyway a little bit of both.
I think not always, but often some of the magic of that group facilitation is that through the process, individuals develop their skills together. Yeah, I think so.